Discover the XL Enbeam fibre cabling system in the XL Encyclopédie. The XL Enbeam range of fibre optic systems delivers high performance, reliability and scalability for large multipurpose venues. Whether you're working to a specification of CPR-compliant cabling in a large multipurpose venue, supporting high-density data center applications, or enhancing the cabling infrastructure for a small business, the XL Enbeam fibre system is here for you, without compromise. In this chapter of the XL Encyclopédie, we cover the complete XL Enbeam fibre portfolio with details about the latest industry standards, comparisons of various cable constructions and more. Finally, given that incorrect selection of containment can result in loss of signal, damage to cables and overcrowding, this chapter also covers the complete range of XL Enbeam containment solutions, including the dedicated fibre duct trunking system.